welcome to another session with me, Jon Sheppard Fitness. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to get a bigger back. Not the thickness, the wideness of the back. So your lats. If you don't know what your lats are, they're the muscle that goes from top of your arm, shoulder, and goes all the way down and finishes roughly about there. To work these movements, you have to do a lot of movements where your arm is raised and you're pushing it down to the bottom of the lat or pulling towards, and that makes the wideness. So let's get in the gym and let's show you 3 movements which will help you get wings.
First of all, which is brilliant for the warming up of the back, the shoulders, is the pull-ups. What you want to do is have them just over shoulder width apart, and as you can see, you want to get your chin near the bar and then full stretch down. Do as many as you can. If you do struggle doing these, do half reps or use an assisted pull-up machine, and these will work your back. Next is a lat pull down machine. As you can see, you want it about a shoulder or just over width apart, and you want to pull it down to your chest, straight back, and make sure your elbows can go down as far as possible and squeezing at the bottom to get the best contraction of the back. I suggest you do 8 to 12 reps, 3 sets. The final movement, I go on a cable machine and I'm isolating each side. Like the cable pull down, I'm kneeling on the floor, put it on the highest setting, and I'm pulling it towards me. As you can see, when I get it towards my back, I twist it right in, so it gives you a good contraction and hits every part of the lat. You want quite a heavy weight of this, but make sure your form is right and you're holding in your core, because you do not really want to twist your body. You want to just make sure that your shoulder is working all of this, and it's not you're turning your body around, as you won't get the full benefits of the workout. I would say do the same 8 to 12 reps, 3 sets on a weight that you can struggle at the end. And that is the end of my workout. Hope you like it. If you do, like it and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss anything else.